Lord Shiva and Ganga story. King Bhagirath left his kingdom to meditate and pray to river Ganga, who was residing in heaven, to descend upon earth. Ganga could come down to earth only after Brahma permitted her to do so. Accordingly, Bhagirath performed great penance to Lord Brahma in Uttarkashi at Gangotri temple for 1,000 years, requesting him to permit Goddess Gangaji to come down to earth from heaven, because only Ganga could release his ancestors' souls and allow them to go to heaven. On account of deep devotion of Bhagirath, ultimately Lord Brahma was pleased with him and granted his wish. But he told Bhagirath to pray to Lord Shiva, who alone could sustain the huge force of descent of Ganga. As a result, King Bhagirath prayed to Lord Shiva, who after some time agreed to hold Ganga in his hair. Lord Shiva stood on a high peak, looked up the heavens and called out, "Ganga, I am ready for you, come down." Bhagirath stood near Lord Shiva with folded hands, looking up at the sky. With a hint of arrogance, Ganga asked, "Are you sure you will be there standing when I come crashing down, or will you be washed away?" Shiva smiled and ignored the comment and said, "All right, Ganga, come down with all the force you have. I am ready for you." Devas assembled in the sky to see of Ganga going to earth. Bhagirath watched astounded as Ganga took a plunge from the heaven to the earth below. Waters of Ganga dropped down with huge force. Heaven and earth were now connected with the water of Ganga. Bhagirath looked at it with awe. One moment Bhagirath could see sheet of water falling down, and the next moment it was gone, leaving no trace behind. "Ganga, where are you?" Bhagirath cried out in alarm. "I am here," a feeble voice was heard. "I am trapped in Lord Shiva's hair." Lord Shiva had tied his matted hair to form a dam on his head to receive Ganga, who was trapped there. Much she tried to jump out of the confines of Shiva's hair, she just could not. Bhagirath prayed to Lord Shiva again, "Oh Lord, I know Ganga was showing a lot of pride, but please allow Ganga to flow out." Lord Shiva relented, and the waters of the Ganga started trickling down the matted hair of Lord Shiva. Bhagirath thanked Shiva, and as he got in his chariot, he asked Ganga to follow him to the place where the ashes of his ancestors were lying and release them from the curse. Jai Shri Krishna.